is flood? Flood is an overflow of water that submerges land that is usually dry. In the sense of flowing water, the word may also be applied to the inflow of the tide. Flooding is the most common and widespread of all natural disasters. It can happen anywhere and at any time, with devastating results to life and property. Floods can cause during heavy rains when ocean waves come on shore or levees break. Damaging flooding may happen with only a few inches of water, or it may cover a house to the rooftop. Here are the illustrations that portrays the dangers and effects of floods towards environment. Before a flood, communities are often vibrant and peaceful like this one. But when a flood strikes, everything changes in an instant. Aftermath of a flood can be devastating. Let's see how things look now. Flood safety tips. Learn how to prepare for a flood. Stay safe during a flood. And protect your health when you return home after a flood. Floods can cause devastating effect towards environment and infrastructure. It can also threaten the lives of people, so people need to be prepared for them. Here are some safety tips. First, build an emergency kit. Emergency kit must contain the following: extra t-shirt, medicine, canned goods or foods, flashlight, water, and emergency bag documents. Watch and listen to the news for the update. And make a family communication plan. During the flood, evacuate immediately to a higher ground to secure safety and wait for the advice to go home. After a flood, go to your home, safety and clean, and look for the things that are still useful. After that, wash them with boiling water if they are soaked in flood.